Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is dedicated to you all because this makeup look is decided by you all, because I posted a question on my Instagram story like what do you guys want to see on this, simple or glam, and so many of you replied. Thank you so much for love and support, and means a lot guys. And there is a tie between simple and glam, so my next video will be the glam look for this. Stay tuned for that. So for now, let's get started. So first I'm going to apply my primer from Etude House. So for the foundation, I'm going to take this combo of Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation and then my favorite Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay Foundation, and applying all over my face and blending with my Benefit sponge. So for the highlighting and concealing, I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer and again blending with my wet sponge. So to avoid that crease under my eye area, I'm going to take this RCMA setting powder and keep it for a while. So now I'm going to take this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade Medium Brown to fill plus shape my eyebrow, and I'm going to set my brow with my Benefit 24-hour Brow Setter. Now here I'm brushing out all my setting powder and set my eyelid. So for the eyes, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Texture eyeshadow palette, and for my crease, I'm going to take this color and blending really well. So now I'm going to take this color and deepen up that outer corner. So for my lid, I'm going to take this very simple shimmery golden color from the same eyeshadow palette just to make sure my eye looks bright and white. So for the liner, I'm going to take this liner from Maybelline and creating a small wing. So if you guys are having a trouble with creating a wing, then you can totally skip this part. So now I'm going to take this color from the same eyeshadow palette and applying on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on my falsies. So if you are not comfortable wearing false eyelashes, then you can skip this part. So back to my face, I'm going to use this Huda bronzer from Benefit to contour my face, especially my nose and my fat chubby cheeks. So for the blusher, I'm going to take this Benefit blusher. So to get that glowy look, I'm going to take Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. So for the lipstick, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. It's on the set Heartbreaker. So before your lipstick, don't forget to moisturize your lip. So at last, you can add bindi, chura or necklace or whatever you want to add, and you are ready to go. So this is our final look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video, so stay tuned for that. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.